Hello, good morning. Welcome to IPMWORKS e-learning modules. My name is Roman Albages from Agrotechnical Center at the University of Lleida. This video is part of the Module 1, Agro-ecosystem Concepts and Theory, Holistic Approach to IPM. And I will present the chapter number 4, Impact of our arthropod pests, diseases, and weeds on crop yield. This presentation, this chapter has two parts. The first one deals with losses due to pests, and the second one will talk about cost of control measures. Here in this table, you will see here in this file, in this part, is the percentage of loss potential due to fungi and bacteria, the viruses, animal pests, and weeds. And this is the total. So, for instance, in the world, more or less the 15% of the yield, of the potential yield, is lost by fungi. And really, we have losses is about 10% with the control measure we use today. This means we have an efficacy of the 34% to control fungi and bacteria. The viruses, we have only a 13%. Arthropod or animal pest, a 42%. Weeds, 70%. So the mean of total efficacy of control measures is about 53%. That you can see that really its efficacy quite low. These data are this publication, the source, it's rather old, is 20 years ago, but the figures are not changed so much. Which is the efficacy in different parts of the world? This is the average we have seen in the other slide, more or less 50%. And the maximum of efficacy is in the northwest of Europe. It's about more than 70%. In the North America, it's about 60%. South of Europe also is about 60%. And the least efficacy is recorded in the eastern part of Europe. It's about 35%. Which is the cost of control measures? We can see in this figure the cost of the pesticide use in different parts of the world. Black are herbicides, in white, insecticides, in gray, fungicides. For instance, in west of Europe is the place of Europe, the place of the world where we spent more in pesticides. About 50% of the cost comes from herbicides in black. Fungicides are about 25%, and here 10–15% is due to insecticides. East of Europe is the least cost of pesticides. Okay? In terms of energy, this is the average of 4 types of crops: vegetables, potatoes, orchards, and citrus. You can see that almost 30% of the energy we use in these crops come from the fertilization. About 25% is frost prevention. About 15% is tillage, and a bit less than 10% is protection, is pest control. The other is irrigation, yeah, harvesting, and others. Okay, so this is the chapter 4, and thank you for your attention.